Start by.
My dear students, today I have kept one small video for the students of class 12 for business mathematics. The topic is application of derivatives, class 12 B.maths, and exercise 10.1 from the textbook written by A.K. Chaudhary. You know very well, due to pandemic of COVID-19, the students have been deprived of study. That's why this one small video can be beneficial for you. So before starting the topic, some formula I want to tell you, that is marginal cost. Number one, marginal cost. Marginal cost is written as MC in the shortcut. Marginal cost, its formula is dc by dq, means derivative of c with respect to q, where c is total cost function. Total cost function, and q is total output. Total output. I mean, C is the total cost function, Q is total output. Total output means the number of items made in any industries, factories, etc. we can say. Next, average cost. If you have to find average cost, that is denoted by AC in shortcut. Average cost means the cost of a unit. The cost of a unit also we can say this average cost. Cost of a unit formula is C by Q, where C is the total cost function already. Here C is what we say, cost function, and Q is output. That is the average cost. Next, we need to find here marginal revenue. Marginal revenue means MR. In shortcut we say MR, marginal revenue. I mean, this is the, in simple word if we say, then selling price of a certain units of item. Means marginal revenue derivative of R with respect to Q. Means here R is total revenue, and Q is output. I mean, total revenue, that is the, we can say, the total selling price in simple way of certain number of items we can say. So derivative of R with respect to Q, that is the marginal revenue. And if you have to find the total revenue, or just R we can denote this. Total revenue function we say. That means demand function P into Q. Demand function multiplied by the output P into Q. It means P is demand function, and Q is output. Total revenue R P into Q. In the similar way, marginal profit means MP. In shortcut, if you write marginal profit, its formula is derivative of profit with respect to Q. Derivative of pi with respect to Q. Here pi is profit function, and Q is output. Pi is the profit function, I mean derivative of profit function with respect to Q, and profit function to phi, profit function, it is denoted by pi. Profit function is denoted by pi. This total revenue minus total cost function, that is the profit function. So these are the formulas mostly needed in this very topics. So once you look at the question number 1, exercise 10.1, question number 1 from A.K. Chaudhary's book. The question is the total cost function. The total cost function of making Q units is C rupees, where C is equal to 2Q minus K square plus QQ. Find average cost function. Average cost function and marginal cost function. Here you have to find total cost function of making Q units is C rupees, where C is the total cost function. You have to find here average cost function and marginal cost function. Here average cost function, average solution, average cost function average cost function AC. Average cost function AC equal to C by Q. Total cost function divided by output. It means total cost function is here 2Q minus Q square plus QQ divided by Q. Then its result Q divided by 2Q means Q and Q cancel, remain here 2 minus Q square divided by Q means result is Q plus QQ divided by Q. In division power is subtracted, means 3 minus 1, Q power nothing means 1, 3 minus 1 means Q square. This is the average cost function. Next you have to find the marginal cost function. Marginal cost function, MC in shortcut. Marginal cost function, I have told you, dC by dQ means derivative of C with respect to Q we have to find, where C is the total cost function. Total cost function is what? 2Q minus Q square plus QQ. It means here derivative of 2Q minus Q square plus QQ by dQ equal to, see here derivative of 2Q, what will be? Derivative of 2Q is 2, because power rule we have studied, when x power n, then derivative n into x power n minus 1. This is the basic rule, it is called. This basic rule you have to use here. It means derivative of 2Q is 2 minus derivative of Q square will be 2Q plus derivative of QQ is 3Q square. So this is the marginal cost function. So in this way we can find the marginal cost and average cost function. And at last, one note for you, my dear students. If you get any types of problem, you can send me through the messenger. I will solve and put in the video. It will support you in study. It will help you to prepare for examination. And my dear students, one message to you, convey the message to your all friends who are not in the online. Yes, convey the message to them and tell them to be in contact in the website of Everest Academy. Thank you.